Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning lecture Ima Prafikasari MPD and good morning friends. We from Group 6 which consists of Indah Wiranti, Rehan Hasbiansar Rois and Wiwin Widyastuti will present a paper entitled Procedure Text. Have you ever read instruction on how to make fraud rates or video programs model? If so, you have worked with procedure text. Actually, what is procedure text? This is actually a piece of text giving use instruction for doing something. Text procedure aims to explain how something can be done. There are several definitions of, of procedure text. Curriculum 2004 states that a procedural text is a text written with the aim for describing how something is executed, a sequence of action or step. It is really text that explains how something works or how to use an operating an instruction or manual, for example, how to use video, computer, recording device, and couplers. Apart from that, the text can also instruct how to do certain activity such as recipes, rules for game, scans, experiment, road safety rules. In addition, procedure text can also be defined as text that relate to human behavior, for example, how to live happily, how to be successful.
Generic structure. A. Goal of activity. At this series, writer tries to explain what to be made or research to talk to with refer to step to be explained by the next paragraph. So, reader does not misunderstand whereof which is being discussed. B. Materials. After readers know something about that will be made or researched, then writer of items explain the materials which must be be drawn up or required, so that something can be researched better. Be sure that all items or materials have completed before starting making it. C. Steps. Series of steps oriented to achieving the goal. If materials have completed, then the writer adds steps which must be done by message. So this series of writer have to explain it in series and might not help. D. Conclusion. Then conclusion is about the results has been done as according to steps which have been determined. Significant lexicogrammatical features. A. Focus on generalized human agent. B. Use simple present tense, often imperatives like make use. C. Use mainly of temporal conjunction or numbering to indicate sequence. Example. Then, that, after, before, after, while, and others. D. Use mainly of materials process. Purpose. The purpose procedural text is to tell the reader how to DP or make something. The information is presented in a logical sequence of events which is broken up into small sequence steps. These texts are usually written in the present tense. The most common example of a procedural text is a receipt.
In the last video to take a procedure, I will talk about how to make a glass of coffee. We must prepare about ingredients. Number 1 is water, 2 spoons, 3 sugar, 4 coffee, 5 gently. Okay, next we can practice about it. First, boil water in the kettle. Second, take 2 spoons of sugar and coffee into a glass. Then, set it gently. Finally, if coffee can ready to drink. Okay. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.